Everyone, welcome back to our virtual showroom here at Seaway Hyundai. We're on the new lot to show you a beautiful, brand new 2020 Hyundai Elantra GT. Awesome looking vehicle. These vehicles are great on gas, very luxurious, super clean, super sporty. Got the nice big sporty alloy wheels. Obviously, you're gonna have tons of tread left on those tires. It is a brand new vehicle. For a smaller car, we do have lots of trunk space. Plenty of room to fit your belongings, your groceries, your hockey bags, whatever it might be. In the back here, we still have some plastic in the vehicle. As mentioned, it is brand new, so that's there for protection. Nice black cloth interior, super comfy seats, fairly spacious. You got cup holders for the rear passengers on both sides and power windows as well. On the driver door, we got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Go through some of the functions here. We have your levers to control the seat, interior illumination settings, blind spot detection, and traction control there. Nice comfy leather wrapped steering wheel. We got Bluetooth functions, volume controls, voice command, cruise controls, and of course you have your buttons to toggle through the navigation. Nice big touch display. I'll go ahead and start that up so you can see what that looks like. Nice big backup camera. 3-stage heated seats for the driver and the passenger. You got your USB port and your auxiliary port down there as well. Climate controls. It's compatible with Android and and Apple. An extra compartment down there for your belongings. 2 cup holders here. A compartment for your passenger for their cups as well. All in all, great looking vehicle. Very spacious. Great price. Easy on gas, available here at Seaway Hyundai. We like to do these vehicle walk around videos to show you full transparency of our vehicles so you know exactly what you're getting into when you come down to the dealership. You could shop this unit or any of our other units online 24/7 at www.seawayhyundai.com. Thank you.